condensed glue gel. Sarah, I love the way you're doing it with the seashells and seahorse. I just did finish with one of the clients not too long ago, and that design is so stunning. So I'm gonna show you that look as well. And I can do the other look, but I put it on this one. Close this one, and then no wipe top coat. This no white top coat and unclear condensed glue gel, it will help grab the base of the crystals and either flat back crystal or 3D cluster, charms, chains stay in nice one place. We're doing it in this color. I'm gonna do this one. Haha, my Seahawks. She's so cute. I have it right here. I don't know if you can see it on my side right there. Let me move this one on the side first. You can do it any background. I did it before, and I did it in too far away. I did it before in under green colors, kind of a you can place randomly if you want to. I really like that design, the look of it. Do you want to feel this, what color, ruby rose? Or you want to do kind of like the ocean look? I can do either one. This one is so slippery. I'm gonna fill randomly my charms, which I freaking love this. Super cute, super easy to do. We can do in any different background. I feel like I don't want to do like have a background in greens or in blue. I'm using this because I want some to stand out. Looks cute. Hope everyone have a great day today. Got a really busy day as usual. Looks good. You can randomly doing it, and then I have my give me that colors please. Oh, right here I have these two together. Let's move this one away. I have ruby rose and I have Bahamas, so I'll put this one in here. If you feel you can't fight it, give it a little bit shake. It's open right away. I'm using both color, everyone. I love this. This two are my two favorites color. And I'm not afraid to doing two of them together because they're such a really good contrast. I get a bigger one to place them at the main crystal along with the charms. And then I'm using the ruby rose to add it on to make it looks like to make it more companions with the other. Looks really cute, and I don't know why I didn't go it's closer tight. Look great. If you want to add some more beads in here, you can. I don't know. It looks so stunning though. Actually, the background make it stand out really nice. Sorry, I just like sometimes I just completely move things around. I fill the beads in to make it fill all of the gaps that I want to. I'm so obsessed with this. What about that? You gotta experience it yourself though. Because they're so sparkle on my ends. I don't know how your ends is, but my ends is like really good though. So sparkle. You can do it this with this color. Can I get this the same color like this in the blue on the chart there?
Crystal.
Oh.
Màu đen quá.
This one? Or you can do on this background. I'm going to cure it for 10 seconds. If you're happy with this, it's the best time. If you don't like it, you can always adjusting them tight together. But if you are happy with this design, then you go ahead and you can cure it. And then we can using a precision glue to get it even double secure. Look at that, it's really stunning though. Cure for 60 seconds. And I did this one in this different background. You can see that. And quick tip and trick, since you are here, we're waiting for the few minutes, 1 minute to dry. This is the color chart that for all of you really interested in. And you can get this, is really cool and it's cheap at the store. Is a drawer knob. You can pick a different crystal designs and size. And you can put all of the designs together. Myra, I don't think the package will be delayed at all. They are shipping out. Did you get your shipping confirmations from the company sent out to you? If you do, it should be shipping out and you should receive it in like a couple days, I think. They about really good shipping stuff out really fast though. So you don't have to worry about it. I don't think it's gonna delay though. That's the question from Myra. Okay, how do I miss all that? Okay, so now I am going to do a double secures all of this. All of this charms. It feels nice and dry. I don't have to worry about tacky layer because I did the top coat on the top of no white of condensed glue gel. So now I'm gonna go between the crystal and charm. This is freaking awesome because I got to go between crystal and charms. Sometimes you was really a lot of you will, oh, I want to do the combination of charms and crystal, but then you're afraid of it keep catching clients' hair. There are no more happen catching clients' hair and clothes and anything else because you have that precision glue to really double secure it. I'm gonna go in and then you always think if you want to, after you cure, if you still need like to seal it more and you feel really edges here or scratchy here, you can fill in the edges and the gaps. So I did good. I feel it right here, a little bit scratchy. So twin tip brush. Yeah, open it. So I'm using twin tip brush, light brush, and I'm gonna go blending on the edges. On the edges of the crystal. So then when we dry it, after you're done drying under the LED light, it doesn't look lumpy, bumpy. Let me take a look at closer. I can't see it like I usually see. I'm like far away from my nails. And for this, because it's a lock, after I blend it, you can always go in one more time with no white top coat to blend it completely out. And cure for 60 seconds now. Hi, pretty Nuna. Thank you, Sarah. Sarah was saying order this product.